Hi folks, welcome for another pouring adventure video. I've built myself a new cup tool, so you might have seen this in other videos. If not, I will link a couple of them during this video. This is my technique, so this is my actually favorite. This is just 3 cups glued together. It's a larger one, a small yogurt cup and a tiny shot glass cup. Love it. You really do not need to care about the sizes. Just glue together what you have and then you can put your paint in and make some magic. I'm going to make a blue, gold and whitish color palette. This is my signature one, you know. So I'm going to prepare the colors in here, make the base layer paint white just to have it easier to flow over, and then hopefully I get a cool design. And when you make your own tool, you can go as large as you like. So I also made myself one with 5 cups, so a 5-cup tool, which I didn't use for a while, so I really loved this one. The 5-cup tool gave me the prettiest effect that I ever achieved, so this one here. This is my all-time favorite, so really love this one. So we're going to use the same colors. So this is a phthalo blue. Going to put this into the larger outer cup. And this is a metallic turquoise, so making this half and half. So this should do it. Then of course we're using gold. So some more. I have this pre-mixed because I use it often. And we're going to put some white in the middle. Not too much because white tends to overpower everything. So putting this aside for a second. Perhaps I put some more gold to fill it up and to have enough paint. So you don't have to separate them cup by cup. You can go crazy and put colors wherever you want. This is just right. So making a base layer paint here. And then I usually have one side elevated to help the paint flow from its own. And wish me luck. And the result is completely different than I expected, but I like it. It's really a cool one, and I cannot wait to see this one dried, because the blue, as usual, is going to dry really dark, and then I hope some of the metallic turquoise comes through and shines and shimmers. So in a second you will see the dried version. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. As usual, let me know in the comments what you think about it. Materials are listed down below in my video description as usual, and there also is my social media. So if you want to get in touch with me, just have a look at there and contact me on Facebook, Instagram, or yeah, again, text me here in the comment section. Also, if you have some free walls, have a look at my Etsy store if you like. I would be really happy to get some of my paintings in your home. And yeah, this was everything for this video. So thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and other than that, I hope to see you in my next videos. Have a great day. Bye bye.